Hey guys, I am hopping on to show you and tell you everything about these little kit of face blush and contour and highlighter that comes in a set. The brand is pronounced something like Full Color. I totally can be wrong. But the main thing about this little kit that it's so convenient and so tiny and so cute, and it works so well and goes a really long way. So you got your little blush here. I have a super cute rosy color that you can see. Absolutely beautiful color, and it goes a long way. So you don't need to use a lot. And I love that it's a stick. You just kind of go out, use a little bit on your cheek, and it's super cute. Here is your contour, little bronzer, also very nice. And then here is your highlighter. Highlighter, again, it's pretty pigmented. So I usually just put a little bit where I need it, and it goes a really long way. I love it. It doesn't melt. Sometimes I had left this in my car for a while, and it doesn't melt, which is really nice. The stick stays stick. And I've been using this for quite a while, and as you can see, I still have a good amount. Super convenient for trips, for car drives, just putting it in your purse. Really tiny, really cute, and it works really well.